Good morning. My name is Allan, and today the question that was asked is how do you use a pendulum to alleviate pain? So over here I have a pendulum, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to run my pendulum along my arm to see where there's pain. And the pendulum shows me that it's right here, right above the elbow, the joint. So when it changes direction, what happens that naturally when it gets to that point, the pendulum starts swinging. It's going to swing for a while. I know you don't see my face, but that doesn't matter. It's just about the pendulum. And whether it's a healing pendulum or not, I mean, the intention is please resolve, analyze, resolve, release whatever pain there is. Please take out anything negative, any negative energies. Please put in any positive energies. And when the pendulum stops swinging, very often what it'll do is it will swing in the other direction. So when my pendulum, and that's just my pendulum, yours might be different. When it's taking something out, it goes counterclockwise. I guess I have a lot of stuff to release here, but here it goes. It's just like it stops. I leave it, let it swing for a little while longer. It starts going in the other direction. And I might do this a couple times until it's fully cleared. Now I put something in. Is it taking something else out? It's about done. So the other part of this question is, do I have to do this more than once? So you ask the pendulum, do I have to do this more than once? And I'm getting a yes. Do I have to do it more than 10 times a day? No. So do I have to do it daily? Yes. For more than a week, more than 2 weeks, more than 3 weeks, more than a month. So I might have to do this many times a day for about a month, according to the pendulum, and I will get results. Does the size of the pendulum matter? You may try different pendulums, but unless you're using healing pendulums of any kind, each one having multiple rings, I'm not sure about that answer. I would ask the pendulum if different pendulums would make a difference. So let's ask for you guys now. Would a different pendulum make a difference on the number of times I'd have to use this over a month? And I'm getting a no answer. So my name is Allan. I'm the Mind Alchemist, and I'm wishing you a really, really good day.